loves, welcome back. My name is Lady J for the people who don't know me. But today I will be doing a haul on SHEIN, SHEIN. Anyway, so I just bought like 8 items and it was only $40. I bought 8 items for $40, including a pair of shoes. When I tell you I'm in love with this website and how fast it came, it only took like 2 weeks, especially with this corona time. Everything has been taking long to get here anyway. So the fact that it only took 4 weeks to get here is just really just pushing it up on my radar. It's way better, in my opinion. Nobody else's opinion is way better than Fashion Nova. So, as you can see, I have the items here. I'm so fucking happy. Like, I got some dresses. I got summertime outfits. I got some jeans. I'm just ready to show y'all. Oh, this bitch is fire. Like, I'm so happy. But let's get into the video. So this is the first dress. I'm loving it. It says baby girl on there. So cute. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the booty. Like oh a whoa, yay. Let me see if the shoes fit. So this is what we're gonna try on next. So let me put these bad boys on and I'll be back. So I just wanted to show y'all the shoes. Don't look at my feet. Like, my feet are kind of ugly, but yeah, so these are the shoes. But yeah, so the first outfit was a freaking success and it looks so cute with these shoes. I'm gonna love these shoes. Okay, so this is the next dress. It says babe. This is the one that says babe. I thought the other one said babe. But oh, I love the colors on this dress. Like, you can't tell me the colors ain't bad on this dress. Period. Since summer is coming up, so I got all summer clothes. But yeah, so this is the second outfit, number 2, the second dress. So now I'm gonna be trying on all my shorts with the short jeans that I got. It just makes sense to do that, put all the shorts on with that. So let's go on to the next one. Which shirt I'm gonna try on first? I'm gonna try on just the basic white crop top first. So let's see. Okay, so this is the next one. Like, okay, so these are the shorts that I'm gonna be trying on with every shirt. These shorts is cute, and like they sizes are perfect. I feel like, I mean, the front is a little big, but these shorts are still fire. Like, just need a belt on or something, but other than that, these shorts is fire. I love them. So I got me a basic white crop. I'm loving it. Like, I'm just falling in love with SHEIN so far. This is my first time buying from there, and I'm just in love. Let's do another white one. This one is less basic than this one. It got like a little design in it, but let's try this one on next. So I don't know how I feel about this shirt. I mean, it's decent. It's different. I'm not used to all of this, but it's just basic in the back. Oh yeah, this is how this one looks. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Like, when I put it on, it was kind of hard to put it on. I'm thinking it's go all the way down here, this line, and then it just kept like sliding up, and then I seen it doesn't go all the way down there. I don't know, but I think this is how the shirt goes. But I think it's still cute, because like when I go out or somewhere, like to a party or something, and I just want to let loose. There's just 2 more things left. The black shirt that I ordered. It's a nice, cute black shirt. So let's see how this one turns out. So this is the second to last shirt. I don't know how you guys are feeling about this one, but I am loving it. This is cute. It's just like, you just tie it up. It's so easy. Makes your boobs look nice. It looks just like the pictures. Like, every single shirt and everything that I wore has been looking just like the pictures. I feel like my dress up, like my clothes game done stepped up. And it only cost $40, and I got like 8 different items. Last but not least, I think so, is my favorite shirt. So I saved it for last. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the last shirt. It says basic on it. I don't know if I kind of like that saying, because I'm not no basic B. But hey. But this is the back of the shirt. I'm in love with the back. Like, truly in love. And it probably would look even better if I didn't have this bra on. The only thing I kind of don't like is how it hangs. Like if I stand regular. But other than that, like, you just can't miss your beat on this. Come on, you telling me all of these clothes was ugly? Really? You really trying to tell me that? No, you can't tell me that because they're not. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. But yeah, SHEIN, I definitely recommend. If anybody would like to order clothes that are cheap, get multiple items, you get better than what you pay for, to be honest. But yeah, if you go check it out, I also have a discount code that would be in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, make sure you check out this website. It's cheap, it's good, the shipping is fast. The clothes look just like the pictures. I'm trying to save you money. I'm trying to make your wardrobe look 10 times better with SHEIN. And again, thank you guys for watching. Bye, ladybugs.